Welcome to Revive the Ride. Stay tuned for full restoration process.
Deep in the jungle, we discovered a forgotten Boeing 707. Today, I'll show you how we brought this legendary aircraft back.
Rerunning the diagnostic on the starboard engine.
The thermal readings are stabilizing, but the LiDAR scan shows extensive internal damage.
The sheer scale of the jungle makes stabilization difficult. We must carefully clear the vegetation before the main lift can begin.
The schematic shows the tolerance here.
Looks good. The rivets are solid on this section.
Yeah.
Every structural component is restored to meet strict aviation standards. After months of restoration, the aircraft is tested from nose to tail.
From a forgotten wreck in the jungle to a symbol of aviation history, reborn.
Deep in the jungle, the scars of history are slowly being erased. This magnificent aircraft, once